My YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be doing a video. So I got slime. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 things
Can I
of
say
slime.
something?
What? Yeah, I know. I'll be doing that.
Do what? No.
Alright, come on.
No, do what?
Alright, I'll
This
tell you.
button.
Hold on. Stop. Okay. He knows the routine. Suck it in. Suck it in.
Oh. Wow, someone got it in your mouth.
No, it didn't. Did it get in your mouth, boy? Benjamin? Oh, that was almost good. This is how wide your mouth is.
I'm not supposed to be. Oh, I'm flattening mine right now.
If he sucked one of these down, he'll choke. That's why. Come on, stop playing. See, mine's not blurry.
Can we just kind of, yeah. Lol.
Come on. Suck. Oh, that went perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. How about them? They said Corvette.
Oh.
They saw Corvettes.
And I made a vlog.
And I was singing the song.
Yeah, we saw, there was a Corvette show.
Alright, you ain't done yet.
Did they see how they made it?
How I made it? Yeah, let's see. They be making these all the time. But not with slime. They do a real face mask.
Oh. Don't whip that off. It's going to hurt.
I'm not. Why would I rip it off? Okay, this is. It's not perfect because sniffing your nose. Let me see. No.
It's okay.
Okay, come on, stop. This is ready. Set.
Why would you do that?
Because you're about to see what I'm about to do. If we're going to turn him around here. Okay.
They don't need to do this.
What?
Y'all don't need to do this.
Yeah, don't try this at home.
And then while you say, do try this at home.
Alright, this is his face mask.
Except for not with slime.
Say ah.
Ah.
Alright, Jameer's over here. Bubba's over here squaggling.
Wait, I got it. I actually got
So Jameer got his. Let's hurry up, put it on. Someone's over here. Suck it in.
Done.
This is his.
Done.
Bam.
Done for him. What? Mine is so
Let me do mine.
thin.
Let me do mine.
I had to redo my
whoa.
face mask because mine was so thin. Now mine looks the best.
Alright, so this is our face mask. And these are my nephews.
It's only
And my niece is with my sister, so.
1, 2, 3.
And I got 20, my daddy have
21.
kids.
21.
10, 20, yeah, 21 kids. And we're going to say bye when it turns 57. 3,
2. No.
3.
1. No.
No, wait.
3.